Hey guys, today we're changing the spark plugs on this Cub Cadet LTX1050 lawnmower with the 24 horsepower Kohler engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. We'll open the hood. Now the only tool that we need is a 16mm deep well socket and ratchet. So we're going to start over here on this side. You're going to pull the spark plug wire off like that, and then you'll just stick your deep well socket in there on the spark plug, break it loose, and then it might spin out really easy for you where you can spin it out with your fingers, but you're going to remove the spark plug. We've got our old spark plug out here. We're going to put in our new spark plug. I will have these linked in the description below where you can get them on Amazon. It is a Champion plug, and we're just gonna just by hand, we're gonna start threading it in there and screw it in by hand as tight as you can get it, and then we'll put the ratchet on it. Now that we've got it as tight as we can get it by hand, we'll put the ratchet on there, tighten it the rest of the way down. You don't have to He-Man this tight, but you don't really need torque specs either, just good and tight. German method, good and tight. Right there like that. Doesn't have to be crazy tight. Stick our spark plug wire back on there, and then we'll go do the other side. All right, for the other side, we're going to do the same thing. Right here, break loose and remove our spark plug and insert our new one. All right, there's the spark plug number. It's a Champion, in case you're wondering. So now we're going to put our new spark plug back in on the other side here. Tighten this one down again. That'll work well. And we'll put our wire back on there. You want to hear that click. So listen and you'll hear a click. Like that. Means it's good and secure. And that is all there is to it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.